Okay, everybody. So we're just going to take a moment here and we're going to solve the following equation. And it looks a fair bit harder than it actually is here. Notice I've got a power equal to a power. Okay. Um, and in a lot of these equations here, with all of these equations like this, where it's an exponential equation where the variable is in the exponent, I could use logarithms here. But before I go to that, before I kind of resort to that, I want to just take a look and see if there's a relationship between the bases here. And I'm seeing on the left-hand side, 125 over 216. Just like on the right-hand side, I'm seeing a fraction in the base. I'm seeing a fraction in the base on the left-hand side. And I know that 125 is actually a power of 5. And it turns out 216 is also the same power of 6 here. So what I've got here is this is going to be 5 over 6 cubed. This is all to the negative x over 2. And that's equal to 6/5 to the 3x plus 2. Now, the bases are not the same. I've got 5/6 and 6/5 here. But what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to, on the left-hand side, I'm going to multiply those two exponents together because I've got a power of a power. And that's going to be 5/6 to the negative 3x over 2 is equal to 6/5 to the 3x plus 2. Now, the bases are not the same, but notice on the left-hand side that there is a negative in the exponent. So I'm going to apply that negative, and what the negative does is it reciprocates the base on that left-hand side. And now I've got power equal to power. The bases are the same, okay? So power is equal to power, and the bases are the same. So now what I can conclude is that the exponents must also be the same. Okay, so now I want to get the exponents together here, the x terms together. So I'm going to multiply everything through here by 2. So it's going to get me 3x is equal to 6x plus 4. That multiplying by 2 got rid of the denominator on the left-hand side. Now maybe I'll bring that 3x to the right-hand side, bring the 4 over, okay, by subtraction. And then when I divide, I get that x is equal to negative 4/3.